Recently, on 12th October, the 7th round of Corps Commander talks were held between India and China. However, this talk was also not much of a success like the last 6 commander level talks. In this video, we are going to discuss about the same and take away the key points of the meeting. So stick with us till the end of video for full details. But before moving forward, make sure you subscribe to the channel Our Expensive Minds. We bring you the analysis of various geopolitical issues going all around the world in simple manner. Also, click that bell icon to never miss an update from us. After the 7th round of commander level talks between India and China, both sides have agreed to maintain dialogue and communication through military and diplomatic channels. This was the key takeaway of the meeting. This talk was held after 6 rounds of failed talks between both the countries, and going on the same path, this talk was also inconclusive. The same thing is being said after every meeting, but at the border, the situation is remaining to be constantly the same. Both the countries are prepared to spend the winter in the area. China has been continuously increasing its number of troops at the LAC. It has been doing this even after it was decided in the last meeting that no side will increase its troops further in Ladakh. In response to this, India has also increased its military power there. Many tanks and other artillery weapons have also been deployed at the LAC to counter this Chinese aggression. The Indian officials believe here that China may be preparing for the long halt there and the harsh winter that is to come. Like the last 6 talks, here too no clarity was seen on any possibility of disengagement from the Chinese side. Another thing to be noted here is that both India and China has increased its pace of infrastructure development at the border. China has been developing its railways up to the Indian border in Tibet, while India has also paced up its development in the Ladakh. And recently, on Monday, the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated 44 permanent bridges built by the Border Roads Organization. However, China has opposed this move by India and said that China does not consider Ladakh and even Arunachal Pradesh as Indian territory. And it said the building of infrastructure by India is illegal there. Here, the irony is China never talks about how it has captured Tibet illegally. Talking about how the tension arose to its peak, since the Modi government came to power, the border infra development has paced up multiple times. And in last few years, it has further paced up, and India inaugurated multiple bridges and roads at the border area. This has frustrated China as China has never seen such development by India before. Prior to this, China used to develop its border area for its soldiers while India never gave importance to Ladakh and other parts alongside the LAC. This helped China in encroaching the Indian side continuously since 1962. But in the last 6 years, this has changed, which resulted in the current tension between both the countries. Before moving ahead, make sure to check out our website where we bring you much more deeper views and analysis on various geopolitical issues and events in the form of articles. The link is in the description. Click it and check it out. Coming back to the present talks. After the 7th meeting opposite to reality, China accused India for the current situation. On Tuesday, it said India has been ramping up the infra development along the border and also deploying military at the LAC, and this is the root cause of tension. However, this statement clearly shows the frustration of China, of which we talked earlier. China has its old policy of expanding its territory illegally. For small countries, it uses its debt trap, for example, the current situation of Pakistan and Nepal. And for the countries like India, it uses military power. It has been doing this since last many decades, but for India, it is facing strong opposition. Apart from the resistance at the border, the ban of many Chinese apps by Indian government has further frustrated him. But amid no conclusion from the 7 talks, both sides agreed that the discussions were constructive and marked by enhanced understanding of each other's position. China also stated that the talks were positive, but no matter what, there was no sign of any conclusion on decreasing the tension between both the countries. So this was our video related to the current tension and talks between India and China. The talks has been failing every time and now both sides are ready to face the winter at the LAC. Let's see where this leads to. So this was all. Thank you for watching. Like the video to show your support and comment your views in the comment box. Thank you again. See you next time.